Settle or go to trial? That is the question. Hello. This last set of videos, really I'll just do one video. It's just to convey a really important fact about the legal system. I have a colleague at the University of Minnesota, and he has used the phrase, the vanishing trial. Whether we're looking at state cases or federal cases, civil cases or criminal cases, turns out about 2% of all cases go to a jury. Sometimes it's even lower than that. Most cases either get dismissed or settled out of court, and business litigation is no exception. Here in this video, I just want to bring that to your attention because it's really the most popular misconception of our legal system we have today. Very few cases do go to trial. I personally think that's a bad thing. I wish more cases would go to trial. I think the jury is a really important, I would argue even the most important component of our legal system, even more important than judges, because juries bring in that popular element. I had a professor at Yale, Dr. Amar, and he made the point that the jury is kind of like a limited form of direct democracy, right? Because we're not electing representatives to make decisions for us. We're making our own decisions in the capacity of a jury. Now, granted, these decisions are limited to a single case, but that's a really important thing. I hope when you get your jury summons that, I get so excited when I get a jury summons, right? And I'm a law professor. I'm a barred attorney in the Commonwealth of Puerto Rico. So it's a really important civic duty. I know it can be inconvenient and that it can interrupt with our daily job activities or family duties. And I understand there are good reasons for being excused from a jury. But that's how important jury service is, because you get to have a say in a case. But I'm saying here that there's very few cases that actually go to trial. I'm disturbed by that. Now, I just want to explain sort of why that is the case. And to understand, I just have to tie back our videos on civil cases. You may recall in civil cases, we talked about the pleadings, right? The plaintiff brings a complaint and the defendant either will bring a motion to dismiss or if that fails, has to answer the complaint. Then though, you have discovery, maybe a motion for summary judgment if there's no material fact and issue. But the discovery phase is very costly and very time consuming. And so when you combine the expense of going to trial, right, with the uncertainty of how a jury will decide a case, this explains, at least scholars who have studied this and economists who have studied the legal system, this is sort of the explanation for why so many cases go to trial. Do you really want to take your chances with a jury? Why not try to figure it out and avoid that possibility? So there's actually legitimate reasons for why lots of cases don't get to the jury. So I just wanted to give you that aspect, sort of the strategic aspect of the decision of whether to settle or whether to go to trial. With that, I'll just do one wrap-up video and we'll conclude this unit. Thank you for your attention.